Hello, so this is KP Travels. As I promised you before, today I'm in Gambella, south west Ethiopia, and I'm here to meet the Luo of Ethiopia. That's the Anywaa, and well, let's see how the Anywaa compares to the other Luo subgroups. But before I start, we Luo, and greetings is part of it. I would like to, as advised, I would like to pass the greetings and appreciation to the Anywaa from Ochengo Yogi, actually, of Uganda. He said I should tell the Anywaa that I interact with that he really appreciates them and he plans to come here in person to interact with the Luo. Ochengo Yogi, welcome to Gambella. And so straight to what brought me here, let's get started. Nyinga and Kogot Peter Okoth, Anja Luo Makenya, and Jao Mabey. And Anka kod Omera Ario Wachakoni
Lange Nyenga de Chola Lange ana Luo Mari Ethiopia Abedo Gambella Ananywa Mari Wijur Mara Chola Ananywa.
Okay.
Nyenga de Chola no Kach Obom Ani Abedo Gambella Ethiopia ana Luo Mar Ethiopia Ananywa. Gambella.
Okay, thanks so much. I have two gentlemen here and let's see how the language compares. So as I do usually, I start with the very basics. We're going to compare the numbers, okay? And I'll just start with 1 to 10. The Kenyan Luo version. Achiel, Ario, Adek, Angwen, Abich, Auchiel, Abirio, Aboro, Ochiko, Apar. So let's get the first 5 from you and the last 5 from you.
Yeah. Achiel, Ario, Adek, Angwen, Abich.
Okay.
Abichel, Abrio, Abara, Abungwen, Apar.
Okay. Let's pick random numbers from there. 15 is Apar Gabich.
Apar Kabich.
Apar Kabich.
Okay. Let's get 16 from you and 26 from you.
Apar Kabichel.
Pirario Kabichel.
And for me, Apar Gauchiel, Prario Gauchiel, or Piero Ario Gi Auchiel. 50, how do you say that?
Pira Beach.
And Pira Beach. And for you, 70?
Pirabrio.
And Pirabirio. How do you say 200?
Deperio.
And 800?
Depe Abara.
Oh. How to say Pira Paraboro? Well, that's if I'm trying to speak the very pure version of the Luo, which is what I should say, Pira Paraboro. But we all know that what we say is Mia Boro. Mia is obviously a Swahili version. We've been debated about this in my other videos. So Mia Boro, but the real Luo, pure Luo is Pira Paraboro. How do you say 1,000?
Kuma.
Huh?
Kuma.
And 2,000?
Kuma Ario.
Oh, okay, that's completely different.
Yeah.
I would say
Kuma Ashel.
1,000.
Yeah. Kuma mean just
1,000.
1,000.
Okay, okay. To me, I would say Ghana. Ghana Chiel is 1,000. Ghana Rio is 2,000. Ghana Boro is 8,000. Ghana Uchiel is 6,000. Ghana Ngwen is 4,000. But so I think there's a difference in the 1,000.
Yeah.
Kuma for the Anywaa.
Kuma Shell.
Kuma Shell for 1,000.
Yeah.
I would say, ideally we say Alufa Chiel, but the pure Luo is Ghana Achiel. And do you have a word for a million? I got you. How do you say 1 million?
Kum Kum. Kum Kum.
Kum Kum.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah, Kumkum.
Okay.
Because it's infinite. The number is infinite.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We just
Kumkum.
had
Oh.
thousands.
Okay, so that means the counting of the Anywaa never got to a million
Kuma
before.
Shell. Just 1,000. Kume Mokoma. Kume Mokoma. Just 1 million. So
1 million,
we
yeah.
say Kum Kum. because
Kumkum.
there are many.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So how do you say 2 million? How do you say 2 million?
That is nothing in the Anywaa 2 million.
Oh, do you agree? Nothing? 2 million?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Just
So
say kumkum.
kumkum.
Yeah.
Just
So kumkum Mario?
above millions, just we can say kumkum.
Yeah.
So there's nothing above a million.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's super interesting. And if there are older, newer people, or just people who really believe that they understand their newer 100%, help me assess these two gentlemen, because I have no capacity to assess whether they're telling me the truth.
Yeah.
But as according to their words, in Anywaa there's nothing above a million. Now in lieu of Kenya, I would say Tara is a million. Well, I hope I got that right. Tara Achiel is 1 million, sorry. Tara Rio is 2 million, and it goes up to Tara Par, which is 10 million, and it can go up. And because the Anywaa does not have anything beyond a million, I'll go ahead and showcase, because we have up to 1 billion, and our billion is Tara Gigana. So Tara Gigana Achiel is 1 billion. Well, this is interesting. Any other Luo subgroup watching this? Alur, Acholi, Padola, Kumam, Lango, Shilok, could you tell me if you have a word for a million and a billion, or is this just the Luo of Kenya that has it? Because clearly the Anywaa does not. Okay, we will step away from the numbers. Let's try something more interesting. Let's try to compare the name of the animals. Okay, I'll start with cow.
Diang.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, it's Diang, Luo of Kenya as well. And the goat?
Deal.
Oh, Luo of Kenya, Deal. You agree?
Yeah, Diang.
Okay, fish?
Reo.
Rio.
Reo.
Reo.
Yeah.
And I say rech.
Rech.
Plural.
Plural.
That's plural.
Plural. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, more than one.
oh, rech is plural?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Say
one?
rich.
Reo.
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 Okay, I hope that I didn't lose my lose. Yes, because I don't think we have singular and plural. The Luo of Kenya watching this, whether Luo of South Nyanza or Siaya, Lego, Ugenya, USA, is there a singular version and a plural version of fish? I would just say rech for both. Yeah. Okay, and what about chicken?
Chicken.
Guano.
Guyana.
Oh, and Luo of Kenya, Gweno. And just to stop you a little bit, when I went there to eat, I said Kwon Girech. So I was wrong then,
Yeah.
because it was just one.
Yeah.
So I would have said Kwon Gireo,
Kun Creo. Kun Creo.
Kwon Gireo.
Yeah.
And that means
Carreo.
corn meal
You mean
and...
about a stew, right?
Stew.
No. If I just mean I want fish
okay.
and the corn meal.
Yeah.
Kwon Gireo.
Kwon.
Reo gi kwon.
Creo ko kun. Yeah.
Oh, I would say rech gi kwon. It doesn't matter the number. Kwon gi rech. So if I need to specify the number, I would say achiel or rechario. Or
Yeah.
yes, but again,
More than one. Rich.
rech.
A duck. Rich angwen. Rich a bitch.
Oh,
Yeah.
But if it's one, you can say Reo.
Reo.
Asian.
Shit.
oh.
Reo.
So kwon gi reo.
Kwon. Reo. Asian.
Okay, the Luo of Kenya watching this, I hope I'm not failing you guys. Honestly, I don't think we have singular and plural for the word fish. So I would just say kwon gi rech. And okay, that makes me think of the different species of fish. Which species do you know of fish?
Rej dao motod mo nato bere. Then aguila dao.
Aguila.
Uredo dao. Wheat dao.
And what's the equivalence in English?
I don't know some name in English.
In English,
Yeah.
okay. Like the one we ate,
depends
how do you call
on
it?
the
Uredo tilapia, right?
Yeah.
Tilapia.
The one we
Yeah.
How is it
Yeah.
called?
Yeah.
How is it called?
tilapia. Oredo.
Orwedo. Oh, I was saying ngege.
Ngege.
Okay.
Yes. Oh. I hope, okay. So Anywaa, you don't say ngege?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Acholi, Cholo, Alur, Jonam, Pardiere, Lurokoro, Padola. Can you tell me in the comment section how you say tilapia? Because that's ngege, and what do you say again?
Ruedo.
Ruedo. Okay, and mudfish? You know mudfish?
Mudfish, lut. What?
Yeah, mudfish.
Yeah.
We say kamongo. Well, I hope I got that right. Kamongo. Yes,
Mudfish
kamongo.
is the one that we dig.
Yes, it's usually in the mud. I
Yeah,
think you.
yeah.
Yes.
Lut.
Lut.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. How do you say elephant?
Liech.
I would say Luo Kenya, liech as well. And a lion?
Mm.
Mu.
Mm.
Oh. How say sibur? Sibur.
Sabor, I think it is the male. It's a male lion.
Lion is male. Oh, yeah, we can
Male
use.
lion.
Yeah. And the lioness?
The lion is moo.
Mu.
Yeah.
Normal lion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the lioness mu, but the lion is sibur. The one with the.
Yeah. The male
Okay.
lion.
Mana coba ada colana?
Sabor.
Sipur? Okay, maybe.
Oh.
Same, yeah.
Oh, because to us sibur is either male or female. Sibur. But again, as I said, I'm not an expert in the language. So if there's someone who knows a better version, let me know for sure. But I think sibur is for both male and female. But for them, they say sibur is the lion, and mu is the lioness, the female.
Yeah. No.
No.
Or your general, the general
General is
terminology is mu. But if you have to specify the gender, the male one is
specific name.
sibur.
Yeah.
There's a specific name for male and female.
For female.
So what's the name for female?
Just I'm thinking about it.
Okay, they are new watching this. The gentlemen are failing you. They forgot the female version. And do you have a word for buffalo?
Joey.
You agree?
Joby, yeah.
Oh, yes, Joey Jamomo. The word is Joey for us as well. Same thing. And what about the rhino?
Ri.
Ri?
Rhino.
Rhino, the one that has a single horn.
Right.
Right?
The one that live in water.
Yeah.
No, that's a hippo.
That's Ifo. With long neck.
No. There's a giraffe. It has one horn here. The rhino. It has one. Okay, let me see if you know it.
Yeah.
It has one horn.
You have it on picture?
No, but I don't have the internet. Do you have your phone with the internet?
We
I
call
have
it
to show the pictures now. Okay, I'll just show this. Yeah, and that's exactly what I'm showing them.
Nyegedwenya.
So how do you call that?
Nyegedwenya.
Nyegidonya.
I thought you don't know how to pronounce it.
Did I pronounce it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, okay. So you call this Nyegidonya?
Yeah.
Oh. We call it Omuga. Omuga.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Then that makes me think of what would the other Luo subgroups call it. Again, let me know. We live to learn, or we learn to live. Either way. Okay, let's try the natural features. How do you say a mountain?
Kiddy.
Kiddy.
Yeah.
And how do you call a stone?
Yes, the same. Kiddy.
You agree?
Yeah.
Kiddy is a mountain and Kiddy is a... Okay. In the Luo of Kenya version, Kiddy is a stone, a mountain or a hill is goat.
Goat.
Yes, and that's why my name is Ogot. Ogot. Associated with the hill or with the mountain.
Good.
Yes, Kogot is just a modified version, but the real name is
For
Ogot.
example,
Good.
Yes.
we call that Kiddy.
Kiddy.
Yeah.
So you say Kiddy Kilimanjaro?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro.
Oh.
Mount Kilimanjaro.
Oh, okay. To me, I would say Got Kilimanjaro
Oh.
or Got Kenya. Oh. And how do you call the lake?
Pool.
Pool. P-U-L.
No, P-W-L.
Okay. Pool. You agree?
Yeah.
I would say Nam.
Nam?
Is a river for you?
Yeah, for us rivers.
Oh yeah, and and this is true. I mean, Love Kenya. Here's a challenge. You remember in the other video, I interviewed Jonam, And when we hear the word Jonam, our assumption is the people of the lake. But Jonam live close to River Nile. And in the perspective of Jonam, Nam is a river. So river, according to Jonam or the Alur Jonam, and now the Anywaa confirms that Nam is a river. So how did we end up with Nam being the lake? Love Kenya, Nam is the lake, Aura is a river. Do you have that, Aura? No. Okay. So how do you call the field? Field.
Bop.
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 Just like.
Oh, I would say pap. Pap.
Yeah. Pop.
Pap.
When we say buff, it is it's swamp area. It's swamp area.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But fields, it is pop.
Oh,
Yeah.
pap.
Where, where there is tree,
Trees.
grass.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And let's look at the food. How do you call water?
P.
P. You agree?
Yeah.
Law of Kenya, P. How do you call cold water?
P Mwangich.
P Mwangich.
And hot water?
P Mwaliet.
Oh, P Mangich,
Yeah.
cold water. P Maliet, hot water.
Yeah.
And milk?
Chak.
Okay, Chak as well. So Chak Mangich, Chak Maliet.
Yeah.
And how do you call the fresh milk? You know, when you milk the cow, when it's still very fresh, how do you call it?
Chak.
But you know, Chak can be, I forgot this word in English. When you put it down for some time, it kind of cuddles. you know.
Yeah.
So,
Chak Mwana Karmura.
oh, because to me, the fresh one, after just milking, Chak Cheo
Yeah.
or Chak Mar Cheo. But when it stays and then it kind of solidifies a little bit, say Chak Mopoto.
Yeah. Some people they use chak
Mumago.
muanyero.
Uh-huh.
Just when it is still
Very fresh.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
very
Yeah.
fresh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then if it stay for little long time, just it can
Yeah, kind of solidify a little bit.
Poto.
Oh, Chak
Betul ni
Mopoto.
cara?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Chak Mopoto. Yeah, we're finally vibing.
Yeah.
Same thing. And how do you call meat?
Rio.
Rio.
Ringo.
Yeah.
So do you say Ringo Mardiang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rio Mardian,
Rio
Rio
Mardian.
Marjobi, Rio Mardial, Rio Mar.
Ah, okay.
Just,
And
it depends on the type of the animal.
Animal.
and if I say Ringo Marrao, do you
Ray.
Rio Mar.
Rao? What do you get? What do you think about that? If I say Ringo Marrao?
Row. You mean row? What?
Oh, the hippo.
The hippo.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Rio Mar. Nyagudwanya.
Oh, Nyagdwonya is rhino.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nyagdwonya is you just
Yeah.
told is rhino. But what about the hippo that lives in the water?
Ring Ray.
Right.
Ray.
Ray.
Okay. Ringo.
Ring Ray.
Okay. And ugali, you know ugali?
Ugali.
Cornmeal, like the one we had with the fish.
We call it ugali. It's
You know, like we ate fish
Yeah.
and something. What was
Kwon,
it?
kwon.
Kwon.
one.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
He forgot.
If it is made of
It
maize,
depends.
we can say
Yeah.
kuna butch.
Mhm.
If it is made of sorghum,
Sorghum.
kun belo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
so as kuna doma or kun bando, and that's for maize.
Yeah.
And for millet, is it sorghum or millet? Well,
Yeah.
this is how
Yeah,
I
yeah.
I call it kun bel.
Oh.
Yeah,
That's
kun
for
bel.
sorghum,
Yeah.
and for millet kun kal.
Kun kal.
Kal, yes. And how do you call to eat?
Cham.
Cham. So how do you say eat if telling someone?
Chami.
Chemi.
Oh, and how to say to drink?
Mat.
Mat.
Oh, to eat for me, I say chiemo. Chiemo. Okay, so if I tell someone eat, I'll say chiem.
Chamo.
Chamo.
It
if
is
I'm,
like-
if-
like-
You
let
include
eat.
yourself.
Oh.
Let eat.
Just
But-
let's eat.
Yeah. You
Correct.
include yourself.
but if you say
You're
I am
joining.
eating, how do you say that?
Achamo.
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 Yeah, I would say achiemo as well. How about to drink?
Amado.
Amodo or amado.
Just you are saying
I'm
that
drinking.
I'm drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this clear. When you drink water, how do you say that?
Amato kapi.
And when you drink milk,
Ambodo ko chak.
okay. Because to me, drink has two different versions. When I drink water, to gulp, you just take it in, modo, a modo pi. But if I'm taking in, like I'm taking in food, like milk or porridge, mado or tea. So amado chak, but amodo pi.
Yeah.
So I would say amodo chak when I want to, emphasize, like I'm taking, like I'm gulping it real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, but
I think there is no difference. The difference is that we say ambodo kachak, and there is another short form that is ambodo chak.
oh,
Ambodo chak.
oh,
That is short form.
okay.
Ambodo kachak. Yeah.
But do you have a difference between mado and modo? No.
There is no difference.
No difference. Yeah, but look at you watching this, I'm sure you know the difference. Mado is for water, and no, the other way. Modo is for water, but mado is for tea, coffee, milk, porridge, and the other things that you take in as food. Okay, let's talk about the weather. How do you say the sun?
Chang.
I will say Luv Kenya chiang. How do you call rain?
Kot.
Oh, Luv Kenya koth. How do you say wind?
Jamo.
Oh, Luv Kenya yamo. How?
Okay. You use Y.
Yeah, use Y, use J. Yeah. And how do you say it's hot?
Liet.
Liet. I would love Kenya say liet. And when it's cold itself?
Ngich.
Yeah, love Kenya, niche. Okay, how do you say forest?
Lul. Lul.
Lul. You agree?
Forest.
Yeah.
Lul. I would say
Wala
bungu. Pap is filled, especially when it's empty, like this, without trees. But when it has trees, I would say bungu.
Lul. Lul.
Lul.
Lul. Yeah. Lul.
Wow. Okay, let's go into the naming pattern, because this is one thing that is uniting among the Luo, and that's why people have been saying they are Luos in Nigeria by the virtue of the naming pattern. But so let's get to this. How do you call someone who's born during the sunny season?
Uchang.
Chicken?
Absolutely.
Okay, Ochieng for me. How do you call someone who's born during the rainy season?
Kot.
Okay, and that's me, Okoth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for people doubting my Luo name, Peter, Okoth, Otieno, Kogot, four names. So I was born during the rain. Yes. And how do you call someone born at night?
Uwar.
Owar.
Yeah.
Uwar.
Oh. Luo of Kenya, we say Otieno.
Yeah.
So how do you call night itself?
Uwar.
War. Oh, for Luo of Kenya is Otieno.
Utieno.
Yes. Just the pronunciation.
We have what's it called? Witieno.
Otieno.
Witieno.
What does it mean?
Witieno.
Witieno.
Just at the middle of the night.
Oh.
Witieno.
Witieno. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But we call the night as war.
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 Yeah.
War.
So when you say Witieno, what's that Tieno?
Yeah, I think that unite us.
Yeah. So you accept that there must be that Tieno means night.
We know that Witieno indicating the night, but we are not using it.
In the middle of the night.
Yeah, we are
Witieno.
just using it for specific hours.
Yeah, for us, middle of the night, we say Chuinyo Tieno.
Tieno.
Yeah, Chuin means say middle or heart.
Yeah, art.
Yes, so it can mean heart or it can mean like
Yeah.
so here.
Yeah.
Yes, middle. So Chuinyo Tieno is like middle of the night or heart of the night, which is midnight. Okay, I'm going to try and say a phrase, and let's see how this phrase compares. Okay. Nyinga and Kogot aero ring diel. Did you understand? Okay.
What do you mean?
I said my name is Kogot and I like goat meat. How do you say that in your version?
Nyanga langi amanya kat dial.
Not ringo anymore?
Amanya ring dial. Just when it's already cooked,
Uh-huh.
we say kat dial.
Oh,
Yeah,
kado.
kat dial,
Stew.
They
Oh,
use the word stew instead.
yeah, instead of meat.
Fresh meat.
Oh, no, yes, yes. Yeah, kaddiel. We would say kaddiel as well
Yeah.
to mean soup or stew
Yeah.
of goat. And how do you say I like beef, cow meat?
Ani amanyo ring diang.
Okay, let's get this. I tell you a phrase in English,
Okay.
and you tell me what it is in Anywaa.
In the Anywaa.
Okay. I was born in Gambella, and I live in Gambella.
Anywaa Gambella enatua abera Gambella.
You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say this. My mom was born in Gambella, but I was born in what else? In Juba.
Ani mera jalwar ko goni wala nyola Gambella ba ani anyola Juba.
So what's the word for mom? Mom, mother.
Mera.
Mera.
My mom.
My mom,
Which means
Mera.
my mom.
Oh yeah. I would say Merwa. Oh, Merwa is plural.
Yeah.
Plural, yeah. So Mera
mom.
should. Yeah, but
You
mom
mean
is
our
English.
mom?
Yes, our mom. Yes.
Our
Mom, Merwa or Minwa.
miwa.
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 Oh. And how do you say my sister? My sister.
Chokka manane dawa.
Oh. And my brother?
Chokka mananek dichwo.
Oh, so
Here-
Choka, Mar,
Mananek dago.
Mare Dag. Oh, Dako. Okay. Dago is woman.
Woman,
Yeah.
yeah.
And Dichwo is man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. And what is this Choka?
Chokka, just chokka, it may be your sister or your
Oh, so your sibling.
yeah,
Yeah,
your
yeah.
sibling.
Sibling.
But you can indicate if she's female,
Yeah.
you say mananek dago.
Ah,
Yeah. And if it is man, just you can say mananek dichwo.
okay. I would say,
Differentiate it like this.
yeah, in lieu of Kenya, I would say for my brother. Brother is Omera. So if I say my brother, I would say Omera or Ominwa or Wadwa. We use the three versions. For sister, I would say Nyaminwa or Nyamera.
Mera.
Yes. And this matches what the Jonam and Padola have. But now it looks like Anywaa is on their own. Okay, so I think
Your wadwa mean your wadwa relatives.
You
know,
really
oh
your relative.
oh Wadwa. Oh, I would say Wedewa. Wedewa.
Vidiwa.
Wedewa. What? Oh,
What?
because what means relative.
Yeah.
Yeah, what
yes.
what relative means.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah.
So what? So if I say our relative, we would either say Watwa or Wedewa. Yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, both versions.
Mm.
So how do you say you are my relative?
In a wadwa,
How?
you are my relative.
Oh, I would say in what? Watwa if I'm talking
Yeah.
plural. If just one, in Watna.
You can say tungwa.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Wadwa and tungwa is the same.
The same.
Yeah.
Synonym.
Yeah.
Synonym. I would say Watna if I'm just referring to myself, you know,
Okay.
or Watwa if I'm saying in plural. So in Watwa and Watni. Do you understand what that means? And Watni.
In a wadwa
But how do you say I'm your relative?
And a what to?
and a wadu.
Okay, that's you plural. And Watu.
No.
And a what to?
And a wadu.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I am your relative.
I'm your relative.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm your relative. And a wadu.
Oh.
Or
you say
or
anatung.
and a tung.
And what is Tung?
Relative. What wadwa and tungwa is the same.
Oh.
The same
That means
word.
what and tung are synonym.
synonym word.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and what's the word for grandmother?
Awang.
Awang.
Yeah.
And grandfather?
Akwaro.
Kwaro.
Oh, so for me, grandfather is Kwaro,
Kwaro.
Kwaro.
and grandmother is Dayo.
Yeah.
So-
When we say akwaro or awang, you are referring
We-
to yourself.
Yeah,
Oh.
we including ourselves.
Yeah. My grandfather, my grandmother.
Oh, I was-
Awang, our grandmother. Akwaro, my grandfather.
Father.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wa Kwaro.
Mhm.
Wa mean
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Kwaro,
Kwaro means grandfather.
grandfather.
Oh, so we agree.
Yeah.
When you are referring to yourself,
To
you say
yourself,
ha.
Akwaro.
Just
Akwaro.
that ah.
Indicate.
Yeah,
Indicating.
yeah, that's okay. And just before we wind up, let's try the key colors.
Okay.
White is tar.
Yeah.
In Luo Kenya, rachar or tar. Yes, lucky tar. When you want to say your teeth are white,
teeth are
lucky
white.
tar.
Yeah.
Oh, the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you say? So, lucky tar kachio. That means your teeth is white as fresh milk.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah. And how do you?
Kamarchak.
Oh, kamarchak. How do you say black?
Chol.
Chol. And chol. Oh, we say rating, but we also know chol. However, we only use chol when we're describing a female human being mostly. You say the chol. Yes. Oh, yeah, I think we use it for animals as well. So if I'm referring to girl, I'll say nyakoma di chol. Yeah. Oh, and how this nyakoma chol? Is it used among the Anywaa to?
Cool.
Yeah. But we make it, we beautify it in some other ways.
So how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you make it beautiful?
Just sometimes you can say Niko manachol wara or Dao manachol.
Oh.
This is, you know, in very beautiful ways.
Yeah, sometimes we
you are
have some-
referring
yeah.
to her beauty.
Mana nyilli.
Nyilli.
That means lighting.
And how do you say red?
Kwar.
Kwar. Luo Kenya would say rakwar.
Rakwar.
How do you say green?
Mar.
Mar. Woo. I say ralum. And
Ralum?
yes, well, loom is grass.
Yeah.
So grass-like.
Okay.
Yes. So how do you call grass?
Lum.
Loom. But green is mar.
Mar. Lum mana mar.
Lum mana mar.
The green grass.
Yeah.
You say, oh, the snake is running in green grass.
Okay. So how do you say that in Anywaa?
Tul rinyo, ilum mana mar.
Oh. Tuol ringo elum
Mana mar.
maralum. Lum maralum. Okay, which color again is available in Luo? There's no yellow. Do we have yellow in Luo? No.
In Anywaa, we call it abaga.
Abbaga.
Okay. So that's all for today, or for the language comparison of the Anywaa. So we're just going to finish.
Yeah. Yang jolna langi abedo Gambella Ethiopia ana luo mar Gambella kare ana pach mo ber ya kanmor. Thank you.
Okay.
Nyinga de cholano ukach obom. Ani ayano Gambella Ethiopia. Iamet kapar manawo video man da nichipi kogot newo Gambella kany nyime mo to mo nak pot ana Kenya idwa met kaman o ne de interview mo tijutiyo to manu dogay kapar ne nyak mone na grupin maber kore yamet una poa.
Oh, you have to translate that to me, for me later. Again, Nyinga and Kogot Peter, Okot Otieno, if you want the full name. Anja Kenya, Anja Luoma Kenya, Anja Homabe, Oriti, Erokamano, Apoyo, Poch. Bye bye.